Hi guys, today we are learning how to activate and use NFC on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Now tap on the Settings application to open it. Inside the settings, you will find different options for your iPhone features. This is where we can set up NFC payments on the device. Once the Settings app opens, scroll down slowly on the screen. Here you will see the Wallet option available on your iPhone. Now tap on Wallet to continue the setup process. This section helps you manage cards and payment features. After opening Wallet, different options will appear on your screen. Now tap on the Add Card option to continue. Here you can enter your debit or credit card details easily. Once your card is added, your iPhone will be ready for NFC payments. Now whenever you want to make a payment, simply bring your iPhone close to the payment machine. Your NFC feature will automatically start working during the payment process. This allows you to make fast and secure payments directly from your phone. Make sure your added card is active and supported. If NFC payments are not working after adding your card, then this feature may not be available in your country. Some banks and regions still do not fully support NFC payments on iPhone. You can check with your bank or Apple services for availability. Once supported, the feature will work normally on your device. And that's how you can easily activate and use NFC on iPhone step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.